Here is the quick simple take before you buy. What's up everyone, today we're looking at a product worth your attention. Are you tired of using flimsy trash cans that just can't keep up with your busy lifestyle? Look no further than the EKO 32-gallon round stainless steel open top, the ultimate solution for high-traffic areas. This king-size trash can is a game-changer, perfect for businesses, hospitality, schools, healthcare facilities, and public spaces. With its extra-large capacity, you can say goodbye to constant emptying and hello to a more efficient cleanup routine. The convenient wide opening makes disposal a breeze, and the sleek, fingerprint-resistant design keeps your trash can looking spotless, reducing maintenance to a minimum. Many customers have purchased and reviewed this product, and it's clear why it's so well-reviewed. It's a top choice for those who want a hassle-free waste management solution. The sturdy metal frame and skid-resistant base provide a solid foundation, preventing spills and ensuring cleanliness, even in pet-friendly areas. The sound of the lid closing is reassuringly solid, and the feel of the practical side handles makes it easy to move, enhancing cleaning efficiency and flexibility. Whether you're a business owner or a facility manager, this trash can is a must-have, providing effortless mobility and a spacious interior that simplifies cleanup tasks. In real-life use cases, this trash can has proven to be a better choice than others, thanks to its impressive capacity and durable design. So why settle for a flimsy, small trash can when you can have a heavy-duty, high-capacity one that makes your life easier? Upgrade to the EKO 32-gallon round stainless steel open top today and experience the difference for yourself. Your cleaning routine will thank you. If this helped, hit link is in the description for the current price. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.